Hi all, welcome to this first video walking you through the performance assurance dashboards. This video provides you with a general overview. I'll cover the purpose of the dashboards, where to find them on the portal site, and take you through their general structure and functionality. The dashboards exist to provide REC parties and service providers with visibility of the data used in our performance assurance activities. Transparent performance monitoring and reporting is a fundamental element of our performance assurance approach, and self-service dashboards within the REC portal are our preferred method of providing this visibility. The dashboards surface the results of our risk monitoring and key performance reporting, allowing you to self-serve the information you need to proactively monitor and improve your performance over time. Now let's start with how to find the dashboards on the portal. I'm going to navigate back to the portal homepage and take you through the process from there. Before I begin, I just want to mention that you may see some minor differences between what you see on my screen here and what you see when you log into the portal. That is because I'm using one of our testing sites. However, the steps I go through and the functionality you'll see on the dashboards are the same. To start, please first log in and then click on Organization Management and Performance Assurance and Dashboards. Once you click that, you will reach this screen. If you're an organization that has multiple REC portal sites set up, or if you are a member of multiple different organizations, you'll see a list of options here of different organization sites you can click through. If you're a member of only one organization site, you will not see multiple options. I'm going to select the domestic gas supplier site for this example. Now that I'm through to the main performance assurance page, here you'll see a range of different options. The dashboards are the Party Assurance Dashboard, the SMIS Dashboard, the TDIS or Theft Dashboard, and the SLA Dashboard. The SLA Dashboard option is only relevant if you are a REC service provider. There may be a small number of parties who are both a REC service provider and a REC party, in which case SLA will also be relevant. From now on, however, I'm going to use the Party Assurance or the PA Dashboard for the rest of this video. However, if you're a REC service provider, many of the features and functionalities you will see will be common in the other dashboard as well. First, you will see a loading screen. When you first come to the dashboard, you will start on the Release Notes tab. From here, you can navigate through the dashboard in one of two ways. You can either click on the buttons on the left-hand side, as follows, and then use the back button on the top right of a tab, or you can use the functionality at the bottom. This Release Notes tab provides you with information about the latest release of the dashboards. You can see here that when the dashboard was last updated and commentary around what was included in that update. We may use this tab to communicate any new developments in the dashboard or any changes, or whether anything could not be published that would usually be published. For example, in the case of data not being available. At the top of each tab, you'll see that there is an info button, which I'll show you now. If you hover over this, you'll see information about this specific tab. You can also see that there is a filters pane on the right-hand side. This provides a range of filters that you can apply to the data showing on the screen. These filters may differ across the different tabs. However, there are two which are common across nearly all tabs. The first is Assurance Period, which is effectively a month filter, which defaults to the latest month. You can see what month you have selected here at the top of the screen. So here I can see that the month I've selected is August 2024, and this is the latest month of data. The second filter that's common across many of the tabs is the dataset status. It will often only show one option, current version. However, on some tabs, you may see that there's both a current version and a prior version. Prior version would simply be taking you back to a prior refresh of the dashboard, and this filter is mainly for use by the code manager. If you use the filters as follows and want to go back to a clean view or the original view, then press the Reset Filters button. The final feature in this video to take you through is the ability to export data. To do this, I'll move to the Risk Driver Summary tab, which we'll talk about in another video. It's not possible to download data behind every visual showing across the dashboard. However, you can quickly determine whether you're able to download data or not for a specific visual if you hover over it. On the top right, you'll see 3 dots, which is More Options. If you see this, you'll be able to export the data. Click on this, click on Export Data, and you are given 2 options for which to export this data, which will be in an Excel format. It is up to your preference which of these to choose. When you download this data, the same level of anonymization and filters as on the visual at this current time will be applied. This concludes the general overview video.